So how does Power Lead System work in 2025? That's what I'm going to be covering today. My name is Paul Farmer. I've been a member of Power Lead System for over 10 years. It's paid me well into the six figures in commissions. It has always paid me on time. This program's been around for nearly about 12 years and still going, and they keep improving it, making it better, making it easier. So how it works, and it's a little different than it used to be, and you could still do all the things you want to do, but essentially Power Lead System is a marketing tools and training platform. It is designed to help business owners, no matter online, offline, create pages like capture pages, sales funnels, even share those funnels, like create your own funnel and share it with other people by simply giving them a share code. So you can create the whole funnel yourself and share it. And that type of a funnel is responsible for people making six figures, seven figures with these funnels. So it's a very powerful tool. On top of that, there's all kinds of training. There's email copyright training. I mean, there's training on everything you can think of when it comes to marketing. And it's a very, very powerful program. In fact, of all the programs I've done over the years, this one is the one that's paid me the best. This one is probably the one I've used the most when it comes to the tools and the training and everything. And, this is the one that can really set you free. So, how does Power Lead System work? Power Lead System works because it makes it simple for you to create income from home that can really make a difference for you. And unlike in the past where we had to set up funnels, we had to put together capture pages and sales pages and emails and all of that stuff before you can go out and do anything, add a domain. Let me just tell you, it was a lot more complicated when I started this. Now they got it down to three simple steps, and this is super exciting. I just did a full update video just yesterday, actually, from the time of making this video. You can go back and watch that. I'll put it at the end of this one. So when this one ends, you'll see it pop up on the left side of the screen. You just click on it and watch it and get all the updates. But Power Lead System is very, very powerful. This is the owner right here, CEO Neil Guess. And what they've done now, because before it was way more confusing, way more complicated. A lot of people would come into this and they'd be like, I don't know what to do, and they wouldn't take the time to learn. And the truth of the matter is, before they added this, it was still way better, way more clear, way more simple than it was when I started. So little by little, we're making progress, but now it's really something that anybody and everybody can do now. There's literally no tech involved anymore. It's hands free now. So when you decide to get started by clicking the link in the video, in this video, in the description, in this video, first of all, you're going to see a page that looks just like this. You're going to enter your details, and then you're going to come to a page that looks like this, which is a sales page. You're going to click on getting started, and you're going to be able to start a free 7-day trial where you will have the option of getting a limited time. There's actually a couple limited time offers. They're giving one is a $49 traffic package where you can start getting traffic right from the very beginning. So you can start generating leads and hopefully sales, because what's going to happen, and what I haven't got to, is now this is completely hands free. PowerLead system now has AI, an AI agent that is going to call, text, email, and voicemail drop your leads. PowerLead system also now has closing by the owner himself and his closing team. Okay. So he will close the sales for you as well. So you have AI following up for you, and now you have the owner calling your leads and closing the deal. The ones that ask for more information, want a consultation. Okay, so these are the steps, and it's super simple. Step one, go to the description in the video. Okay, now you don't even have to set this up. Now, back in the day, we had to set up funnels. But anyway, we have a capture page here. You enter your details. Next thing up, we have the sales page. You go ahead and click on getting started. It's going to take you to this page. You're going to enter in your details, and voila, you have a free account. So what's next? You're going to see a page that looks like this. This is your back office. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's very simple. Step one, step two, step three. First step is to join the Facebook group. You always want to be plugged into the community. Whatever it is you're doing, you want to be plugged in. It's going to help build your belief. It's going to keep you informed. And it's just an important thing to do. Step two, you're going to open and read the quick start guide. So now we have a quick start guide. And this is going to walk you through step by step exactly what to do so you can get started fast and start generating commissions, residual and even one-time commissions. Here's the $49 traffic test I told you about. This is for SMS messaging. Now, a few things you need to understand that happen here. Once you place this order, it's going to go out. David, the AI assistant, is going to call. It's going to email, text, voicemail, even answers the phone if the lead's call back. Okay, it's going to do all of these things for you. You don't have to lift a finger. So that's going on with this traffic test. So not only are you getting, and the leads are going right into your contact manager, because Power Lead System has like a CRM, a contact manager where all your leads go, and you can email those leads, whatever you want to email them. Now they are being followed up with Power Lead System, but you could just let that system do its thing. Know that the follow-up's happening, the closing's happening, it's all happening for you, completely hands off. And if, let's say, you have another business, another opportunity that you want to share with your leads that you just generated from the 49 traffic test, you can do that. So you can be generating leads. So get this. This is how powerful this system is now. You can be generating leads, which are provided. Okay, there is an extra cost for leads advertising. There always is. So you purchase your leads, you can do your $49 traffic test. There are other ways there's bigger packages as well. This is really just to get you making sale, get you going, get you generating leads, get leads in the system so they're being followed up with. So you have the opportunity to earn, and you can even do this as a free member. That's the crazy thing. You can do this as a free member. So all that's going on. And like I said, you can take those leads if you want. They're your leads that come through. And you could advertise whatever you want to advertise to those leads, or you could just advertise Power Lead System. It's completely up to you. But we have a full lead generation system here. Like, it's pretty cool. So those leads are getting marketed to Power Lead System. But let's say you have another offer, you can start sending emails to them about that offer. All the while, Power Lead System is still following up, still working to close your leads. So how cool is that? Um, like I said, we have a new back office, and this is just your step-by-step guide. Book a call with Neil. It's not a sales call, no script, no pressure, just value. He's just going to help you, walk you through, answer your questions, and help you get set up for success the best. And it's a real person. It's the owner of the company doing it for you. So it's pretty awesome. And he's working for you. So this is a complete system. Everything you could ever need to start making income that can really make a difference is here. And it's extremely, extremely simple now. In fact, I don't know how it could be any more simple. So here are the steps. Follow the steps, right? Watch the CEO message, go to step one, go to step two, get that fast start guide, go through the fast start guide. Step three, you're just going to get traffic. And this is where the traffic packages are. They're going to walk you through and show you exactly how to set that up. Now, check this out. In the past, we had to set up funnels, we had to get domain names, we had to do all that stuff. Now, you don't have to do any of that. All you do is provide your username, which is super simple, and that traffic is going to go out, and that whole follow-up process is going to be working for you. So AI and the CEO. Now, Power Lead System also has what's called an all-in offer, right? All in, meaning you can purchase all the products in one bundle, and this is going to position you to earn commissions on all of the products including residual products. It's a savings of $700. And what's going to happen is you can earn $1,500 commissions. You can earn $1,000 commissions. You can earn $400 commissions. You can earn $100 commissions and $35 commissions, $20 commissions. And on the lowest level, which is called gold, you can earn residual income. So let me show you what I'm talking about there. We come down here, we have gold members. And when you're a gold member, that's where everybody starts after the 7-day free trial. You actually get to preview all of this on the 7-day free trial. But as a gold member, you get the tools, you get the funnel builder, kind of the all of that, the contact manager. There's a bunch of training you get as well as a gold member. This qualifies you to earn uh, $20 commissions a month. Now it's $53.97 with the admin fee on top of it. So $20 a month. If you were to get 100 of those members, you would be making $2,000 a month. Okay. But here's the power of this thing. When you start referring people, and these people go and they start referring people, you get a 50% match on what they earn. So 50% match on what they earn. So if they earn $1,000, you earn $500, and that's unlimited with. Okay, so uh, and then you can see there's other products with the all-in sale. If you get a 1,500 one time, it's 1.33 sales plus a few recurring. Here's an example. If you wanted to make 2,000 a month gold, I'm sorry, gold plus 5 referrals, earning $400 per month. So if you have 5 people earning $400 a month, you are at 2,000 a month. That's what that's saying. You have your daily success routine. I mean, everything here is laid out for you. Uh, that's just how it works now. You literally come in here, you get started, you decide, do you want to go all in? Do you want to start at gold? Do you want to purchase some of the products, not all the products? I mean, it just really depends on where you're at. Just know whatever products you own is what you get paid on. So you make commissions on. And as I told you, you can earn, 1,500 commissions if you're all in, $1,000 commissions, $400 commissions, $100 commissions, $35 commissions, $20 residual commissions as well. So that's where that's at. Oh, the 35 is also residual. It's a brand new product that's about to launch. Uh, and that's going to be all about AI. And it's going to be live training with someone that owns an AI company. So they're going to be teaching you all the tricks and everything live about AI, like what's happening now. It's changing so quickly. If you're not familiar with AI, you may want to start getting familiar because it's not the future, it is now. It's happening now. And the longer you wait, the more you're going to get left behind. And it's hard to keep up on your own. So it's really going to be a great product, very affordable product, high commission product, because it's going to pay you out of $45, you make $35 residual income. And there's also some leverage in there as well, where you could be making sales from unlimited depth. So it can really, like, it could be people not even on your team that you're making sales from. They just, all of a sudden, boom, there's a sale. So that's how it works. Very simple now. You get started, go to the link in the description, decide, follow the steps, decide what products you want. If you want to go all in, position yourself the best, make the most money. I always recommend doing that. But other than that, it's a very simple system. Follow the steps, purchase your traffic, allow the system to go to work. If you want to take it another step, this is what I recommend. Okay, this is what I recommend. Right here, let me see, they got it laid out here. Success routine right here. Leads, let the system follow up, David plus automation, drive traffic, autopilot SMS leads. Those are within the dashboard, within the system. You can go purchase those. And then post on social media. If you click here, they got a bunch of social media posts that are already done. Literally, you can copy paste them, or you can take them, create your own, like use them as ideas. And this is fully passive and is totally possible with Power Lead System. So It's really, we always say business in a box. This is straight up a business in a box. Like it's so simple now. Um, 3 steps, decide what you want to do, like what do you want to position yourself to earn, and go. And down here you can see the different products as well. Now, this one is going away. I don't even have this one, but it's going away to be replaced by the AI one that I was referring to. But I do hope that that helps. I hope that helps you understand what this is, marketing tools and marketing training platform. So you're going to be able to build out funnels if you choose to. You do not have to. I find it to be a useful tool. I use it all the time. And if you don't want to do any of that, though, this can be completely hands-free. Let's say you do want to do some of your own work. Maybe you want to do like kind of like I do, where I do more than just allow the system to do everything for me. I take it the next step. I'm like, okay, well, that's my advertising. They're going to work doing that. Just come here and you just follow the success routine, right? So what I would do, what I would add to this is I would take my page, where is my page? My sales page right here. And actually you can find it by going to marketing and we go to done for you funnel. And we come down here, click here, and you have a link ready to go right here. Okay, you don't have to do anything. It's ready to go. And if I go ahead and copy this right here, I have my link. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to set anything up. It's all ready to go. So now what I can do is I can start reaching out to people, or when people reach back out to me from the post that I'm posting, right, that they give you. That's just an example. You don't have to do exactly that, but when people start reaching out to me or I start reaching out to them and I go, hey, I found a way to create residual income and high ticket income completely hands free. Would you be open to learning about it? And I go and I ask people, and if they say yes, I'm going to go and send them this video. That's it. And I'm going to get out of the way. So that's another way to go about it. That's more of a manual way. If you want it to be simple, if you just want to get going quickly, all you do, follow these steps, purchase your traffic and go. So there's something for everyone. What I love about this is I can literally have this going in the background and I don't have to do anything else. I can be positioned to earn the most money, which I am, which I have been for many, many years, and I can go and I can purchase my traffic and I know that this system is going to work for me and I know I'm getting my own leads put into my contact manager that I can use for anything I want. And I also know that the whole follow-up process is being done for me, so this is very powerful when people really grasp what's going on here and what's possible, because this was not possible even a year ago. This was not possible, which is now. It's never ever been easier for you to make money from home. It's never been easier. There's literally no setup here. So if you're not technical, it doesn't matter. You can get started, you can get positioned to earn, and you can just get moving, okay? Go ahead and watch the video I did yesterday. It's going to pop up right here on the left side of this screen. And you can see all the updates because I went through all the updates. And with that, make it a great day. See you next time.